said he'll be there, don't you worry. Just trust him, gotta bring it through when you are falling. I know it's hard when you're walking through this life, feeling the fight out. Then you start to think twice, calling and I'm beside ya. Jesus, Jesus, come and save me from this evil darkness world that has slain me. I've been a slave for so long, I can't take it no more. But when I'm calling on your name, all I hear you say is, I'm here for you. Call me when you need me, when you're feeling blue. I will come through for you. I wanna be the one side. He wants to be the one that you are calling. He wants to be the hand that pick you up when you are falling. He wants to be the one that you can run into. Every situation that God will guide you through. He wants to be the one that you are calling. He wants to be the hand that pick you up when you are falling. He wants to be the one that you can run into. Every situation that God will guide you through. So many times the Lord has been calling your name. Knock on the door. Is it gonna be the same? Gonna open the door, let him inside. The choice is up to you. Are you gonna rely? Choose Christ, choose life is the way to go. I know this for sure, cause I was you before. Given the choice whether to choose life or death, I gave my life to Christ. This choice I made was best. Giving my life to God was the best thing I've ever done. Who can compare to the love of God? Let me tell you, no one can. No one can. He wants to be the one that you are calling. He wants to be the hand that pick you up when you are falling. He wants to be the one that you can run into. Every situation that God will guide you through. He wants to be the one that you are calling. He wants to be the hand that pick you up when you are falling. He wants to be the one that you can run into. Every situation that God will guide you through. So you've been running and running, can't seem to find your way. Lost and confused in this cold world with those heavy chains. He wants to be the one. He wants to be the one to set you free. Said you've been running and running, can't seem to find your way. Lost and confused in this cold world with those heavy chains. He wants to be the one. He wants to be the one to set you free.